for the next generation, we will not allow that to happen because it's exploitation.
Absolutely.
To not get a single penny of the work that you've done.
Just imagine for Zindagi Gulzar hai.
Yeah.
Which to date, what, like 14 years later? 13 years into watching it, millions of views on YouTube. Every episode would be minting money for you. And the rest
but
of the
then what
cast.
Percentage did Samina Appa get? What percentage did Mancha get? The younger sister, the sister-in-law, I mean, who gets what?
तो फिर किसी को बैठ के तो ये हिसाब करना है ना.
But they don't even know where to start. Like, how do you? So then you need someone who's into this business abroad. I mean, but it's मेहनत की बात है, बस करना है.
लेकिन अच्छी बात है कि at least they're thinking on those lines. कोई सोच रहा है.
हाँ.
कोई सोच रहा है चीजें improve करने के लिए कोई सोच रहा है. This is turning out to be a really big year for you, Sanam. हाँ. पहले
अच्छा.
I mean, yeah. I mean, Kafil to Can to now you're already working on your next drama. And I just noticed, from Dam to now Mehreen Jabbar again, you're working on a next drama with Mehreen, and then so many Umaira Ahmed dramas. It's kind of, highlighted.
कहते हैं ना बच्चे बरकत लाते हैं.
बच्चे बरकत लाते हैं.
तो बस वली के साथ ये सब हुआ.
वली तो बहुत प्यारा है. ये बहुत प्यारा है. वली, Sanam walked in and was like, Wali's completely overshadowed. Sanam was like, वली तो बहुत प्यारा है. बच्चे बरकत लाते हैं. Absolutely.
Literally, it came with him.
Yeah. Came with him. Good luck came with him. Yeah. But Kafil, when you were signing up for Kafil, did you expect that kind of reaction? And I know because we were reviewing it and we got so many letters from women who completely said that it's hamari kahani hai. We've been through this.
Yeah.
The response to you must have been overwhelming.
People I know that I've known all my life, people I've worked with, they're like, that's my story. I'm like, what? They're like, yeah, I'm the fourth sibling. Yeah, my mother married the wrong guy. Yeah, my sister is living through this. Yeah, that's my husband. He's like this. So just so many DMs and so many people I know. So it's almost 1 in 3 women was a Zeba, which is really sad and heartbreaking because Zeba's life was horrible.
Yeah.
Such a wasted life.
Yeah.
She got that fantasy happy ending, and I hope that is the truth for a lot of women out there, but it's not for a lot of women also. Not. But I hope that Kafil के ज़रिए औरतों को at least एक हम जब सोशल ड्रामे करते हैं तो एक आईना ही दिखाते हैं ना सोसाइटी को कि आप खुद नहीं देख पाते कि क्या हो रहा है, लेकिन आप एक आउटसाइडर्स व्यू पे जब देखते हैं तो फिर आपको समझ आती है. सो व्हेन यू सी समवन एल्सेस लाइफ यू कांट सी योर ओन. सो ज़ेबा, जब आप उससे ज़ेबा के कैरेक्टर से कनेक्ट करते हो तो यू आर लाइक आप ज़ेबा की ज़िंदगी देख रहे हो बट एक्चुअली आप अपनी ज़िंदगी को देख रहे हो. सो होपफुली अगर एक औरत की भी शादी या ज़िंदगी बच गई तो आई बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड वेरी हैप्पी दैट mission accomplished. Just like with Kashyap, one girl gave a CSS exam. Not one girl, many girls gave their CSS they became CSS officers because of Kashyap. Many girls, what I've always said in my interviews is I chose to do these social message dramas because of the impact it had in real life. So again, not to sound like a broken record, but मेरा नसीब में जब लड़कियां आती थी कि आपका ड्रामा देख के हमने कहा कि हम वापस मैके नहीं जाएंगे जब तक तमीज से अपोलोजाइज करके हमें वापस लिया गया. if you've had some issues at home and you've been kicked out or you've left and your घर वाले are saying no, now दरवाजे बंद, go back. भाई क्यों? This is my house and they disrespected me. Show me some respect and I'll go back. So a lot of women were like, we saw that character go through that, so then we did that. A lot of people said because we saw education was such a key point in Zindagi Gulzar, we made sure the girls first got an education, then got married. Rihai mein, people were more, Rihai and Udari, people were more aware and conscious of how to be around children. So with Zeba, again, it was like, if you can see how a narcissist can ruin your life and what a toxic marriage does to the children, you think आप बच्चों के लिए शादी में रह रही हैं, लेकिन बच्चों पे जो असर होता है, it's huge. A human being's entire makeup, their life achievements, mostly their personalities, their core values are shaped from बचपन. अपने माँ बाप को देखें, वो उनको पता भी नहीं, सबकॉन्शियस में वो एक ब्लूप्रिंट बन जाता है. और I hope that they see कि ये असर होता है बच्चों पे.
Was it an easy character to play? Also because not many actors would have signed up to play an older transition from a younger person to an older person.
So I called Umaira ji and I said, no, I was going to do another Umaira play. And wo hote phir it shifted cities and I said, now I can't do it. Now I can't do this one. And then this other script came and Meesam was doing it and I said, I've worked a lot with Meesam at Napa. And then he just done Parvarish, so I liked his sensibility. So I said, okay. And I'd been wanting to work with Big Bang. So I said, okay, it's happening. And it's an Umaira Ahmed script. I just missed one, but okay, theek hai. Isko, acha, 4 bachon ki maa hai. Acha. Okay. Is this a good career move for me? Because I'm doing like a main role now after so long. अब तो मैं टाइपकास्ट हो जाऊंगी because people love to do that कि अच्छा अब आपने agree कर लिया तो अब सारे आपको यही scripts आएंगे because अब आप I'm not asking to play a 25-year-old anymore, but and I do want to play characters that are for women of our age, but it's just this is how the industry is. Like you'll never see heroines from Hollywood. No, Hollywood has changed a bit differently, but even now you'll never really see mainstream heroines play mothers in ads or in dramas or films because it hurts your career.
Yeah.
It can affect your career. But then I was like, why am I giving the power to others? मेरे हाथ में ना मैं जो चाहूंगी वो होगा क्योंकि वैसे ही होता रहता है जिंदगी में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. So I called Umaira Ahmed and I said, Umaira ji, क्या सोचा आपने ज़ेबा का? How old is she? What is her personality like? What does she do? So she's like, don't you know girls who are like, when you see them, they're like, ये आपके बच्चे आप तो उनकी बड़ी बहन लगती हैं. I was like, हाँ बहुत. So she said, it's that.
Yeah.
Zeba got married young and I was like, but can I play the younger Zeba? I was like, why not? That, you know, if it was, अगर पूरा ड्रामा एक young लड़की पे होती तो शायद ना accept करते लोग और मैं खुद भी ना करती. लेकिन क्योंकि वो just एक premise setup था 10 episodes का, बाकी कहानी और थी तो I said, okay, it would have been more detrimental if a different cast played the first 10 episodes and cut to present time.
Absolutely.
वो फिर jump बहुत ज़्यादा वो होता है वो फिर affect just like Dyaare Dil में I played myself young to old. So she said, do you want to leave a legacy behind? What is the body of work you want to leave behind? Do you want to just, you know, do the false lashes and pretty hair and walk around looking cute? Or do you want to like really do a powerful role that leaves behind a legacy? And I was like, so that's what I wanted to hear. Yeah.
I'm in. Yeah.
She said, just think about it. There's a handful of actors that can pull this role off. And I definitely think you're one of them. And I know other people have said no because they are afraid of their careers. But trust me, this one is, it's strong. So I said.
And it was.
I said, okay.
And it was.
Yeah.
And I think Zeba's relationship with her son, Subuk, was fantastic.
Ashin was amazing.
Ashin was amazing, yeah. Also the